Welcome back. So I think I'm gonna do a dragon egg, but this is gonna be more elongated, more like a snake egg or reptile egg. So what this is so dogwood tree blew over out in my woods a while back, and the root ball came up with it. Well, when I got to looking at it, it also had ant holes. You can see the tunnels in there, right there, and you can see some of them right in there also. I did gray and white with this one. I can't remember if I did clear slow or amazing clear. I think I did clear slow with this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also do a stand for it, something to hold it up. I don't know if I'll go full length on this one or not. Maybe. We'll see.
And I don't remember which one this was. I'm thinking it was the clear slow that I used to cast this piece with. And I'm sorry I didn't get that part with the recording. This part was really cast probably a year and a half ago. I mean, as you can see, I'm still turning on the old Harbor Freight lathe that I used to run. But yeah, so that's why there's a big time difference, especially in facial hair and lathes.
Alright, so change up. No part of this video is on the old green bean running machine. And then I've had this thing sitting on the side for quite some time. So, then eventually I'll come back around to it. So this is the dogwood cast in, I think, amazing clear. I'll have to look back at the video because I've done forgot.
through sanding. You like to check it and make sure you got all the fine or heavy scratches out of it. And all I'm doing is just wiping it down with the cloth with Danish oil right now and inspecting it. It's always a good idea just to check your work every now and then too. This is some stabilized buckeye burl that I've had. I had it for another project that I was going to do, but I never used it, so I figured this being a dinosaur egg and it kind of had a stone look to it, it fit in well. This is my mortise maker. You've seen it in a few of the videos. It's just a leftover tenon that I've used. It's got a nail in the center, then a nail on the outside that you can mark for your mortise and tenon size. like I said, it's nothing too fancy, just something that I decided to finish up that I'd cast, honestly, probably about a year ago. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.